We always feel privileged to travel, but occasionally you feel extra privileged to visit a certain place. One of the 7 wonders of the world, the Great Wall of China, was an experience we will always remember. It's the world's longest man-made structure at just over 13,000 miles long, and it spans 9 provinces. In this video we share with you some of the sights, including drone footage we experienced when the Globe guys stood on the Great Wall of China. So we've just had a really nice lunch. We've just come round the corner literally to Mutianyu. Now Mutianyu is a quieter part of the world. There's not quite as many tourists, so we're going to head up there now. So even though we've been blessed by a beautiful day here at the Great Wall, it's still going to be pretty cold up there. Down here it's about 10 degrees, so it's going to be colder up there, and apparently it's a lot windier as well. Ivan's got a chair.
So I've been and bought a hat, woolly hat, so I'll model that later.
Yeah.
And Ryan.
And I've bought a flag.
Hey!
Now Mutianyu is located just 43 miles away from Beijing and is a great location to visit the Great Wall, as it often attracts less tourists and is one of the most preserved areas. In fact, some parts of the wall has already disappeared. So we left the visitor centre and began to head up to the wall, which first of all involved a short shuttle ride to where we hopped onto a ski lift to take us to the wall itself. This actually gave us breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and our first glimpse of the Great Wall of China. So we're on the wall and we thought it was going to be freezing. It's actually alright. I've had to take my jumper off and my coat. It's still a little bit breezy. But yeah, the view is amazing. So here are some of the views that we enjoyed, including footage from the drone during our time on the wall. Wow, the views up here are amazing. It's everything we kind of hoped for. The weather's amazing, the views are breathtaking, and so is the scenery. It's just amazing to be in one of the wonders of the world.
It is absolutely breathtaking, and never in a wildest dreams, A, did I expect ever to be on the Great Wall of China, B, for the weather to have been blessed with such beautiful weather, and it's absolutely, I wish and I hope that when you look at this video that you get a sense of what it's like to be here.
When you visit the wall, you can truly appreciate why it's one of the wonders of the world and a worthy icon of China. They say you can see the wall from space, but this isn't actually achieved to the unaided eye. Nevertheless, it's a breathtaking sight to behold wherever you are. Being so close to the Chinese capital, something so spectacular is so accessible, and the experience is something that will stay with us forever. On the subject of Beijing, why not take a look at the vlog of our time there, and for all of our content, why not subscribe to the Globe Guys YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.